Have you ever wondered how those mysterious X-ray images of your bones are created? Let's dive deep into the fascinating science behind X-rays. X-rays are an essential diagnostic tool in medicine, giving doctors a non-invasive way to look inside the human body. This video will break down the entire process, from generation to image creation. First, what exactly is an X-ray? It's a form of electromagnetic radiation, just like visible light, but with much higher energy and shorter wavelengths, making them invisible to the naked eye. The discovery of X-rays dates back to 1895 by German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen, who initially called them X-radiation because of their unknown nature. The heart of X-ray production is the X-ray tube. This is where the magic happens, converting electrical energy into X-rays. The tube has two main components: the cathode, which contains a filament, and the anode, which is a metal target, often tungsten. The process begins by heating the cathode filament. Much like a light bulb, this process releases a cloud of electrons. These electrons need to be accelerated to extremely high speeds to produce X-rays. To achieve this acceleration, a massive voltage difference, often tens of thousands of volts, is applied across the tube, between the cathode and the anode. This high voltage creates a strong electric field that violently propels the negatively charged electrons from the cathode toward the positively charged anode. Now for the critical step, the actual production of the X-rays. The superfast electrons smash into the tungsten metal target on the anode. When the electrons hit the target, only about 1% of the kinetic energy is converted into X-rays. The remaining 99% is released as heat, which is why anodes need specialized cooling systems. The collision produces two types of radiation: Bremsstrahlung, or braking radiation, and characteristic radiation, both contributing to the X-ray beam. With the X-rays generated, we move on to how they create an image. The collimated X-ray beam is directed toward the patient, passing through their body. Different tissues absorb X-rays differently. Dense materials like bone absorb more radiation, appearing white, while soft tissues and air absorb less, allowing more X-rays to pass through, appearing darker. The remaining X-rays hit a detector, either film or a digital sensor, creating a shadow image that reflects this differential absorption, resulting in the final X-ray image. So from a glowing filament to a final image, the X-ray process is a brilliant combination of physics and engineering. X-rays are invaluable for diagnosing fractures, checking for lung conditions, and much more, providing essential information quickly and non-invasively. While X-rays are a powerful tool, it's crucial to remember that they involve ionizing radiation, which is why safety protocols and protection are always a top priority during the procedure.